Hello, good day to all employers. My name is Christine Sola. I am 36 years old. I am a high school graduate. I am married and I have one child. I have 6 years working experience as a domestic helper or nanny. 2 years in Kuwait, I taking care of 2 children. Their ages 5 years old and 3 years old. 2 years in Abu Dhabi, I taking care of 3 children. Their ages 7 years old, 5 years old, and 3 years old. 2 years in Hong Kong, I taking care of 2 children. Their ages 5 years old and 4 months. A task as a nanny is to cook and prepare their food. I feed them up, I dress them up, and I bring them to the school and pick them up. And even their activities, I'm with them. And sometimes we go to the playground and I play with them. At home, I give them healthy snacks and I help them to do their homeworks. I help them to recognize the colors, letters, and numbers. I am practicing them how to read and write. And aside for being an nanny, I also doing household chores like cleaning, laundry, ironing, marketing, and cooking a simple dish. Sir, madam, you give me a chance to work with you as your domestic servant. I promise to work hard for your family, and I will do all my responsibilities. And I promise to love and treat your children as my own children. Thank you, ma'am, and God bless.